Hey y'all, I'm Kate from saltykatie.com, and today I thought I would do a quick little flip through of my latest B6 Slim Traveler's Notebook setup. I've been using a B6 Slim since maybe December of 2018, and so far I have really been enjoying it. I absolutely loved the B6 size and carried that for ages and ages before I discovered the Jibun Techo, which is a B6 Slim, so obviously I had to switch. I mean, you know, I had no choice. So anyway, I've switched up my setup since the last time I filmed, so I thought I'd show y'all. This is a La La leather, which is a Horween suede traveler's notebook. I've got my pink elastics, and on the inside I have jelly pockets. I thought the color of this leather and the jelly went so well together. I could not resist putting the two together. So this is a die cut from Willa Walla Co. Y'all know she has the cutest stuff. So after that, I've got my actual Jibun Techo, and this is a clip from Little Miss Daisy Rose. She's one of my very favorite clip makers. She makes the cutest stuff. She's always got like iridescent and pastel clips, which I absolutely love. So anyway, first up is obviously my Jibun Techo. I have used the absolute crap out of this planner. If you'd like to see an in-depth flip through of 6 months in this planner, that is, I want to say I posted that last week. I'll see if I can link it in the cards somewhere up there. And anyway, so yeah, I've been using the crap out of this. Absolutely love it. I've got a jelly cover on it, and I actually left the elastic intact, so if I need to, I just grab this out and throw it in my purse should I have a need. Most of the time I don't, but anyway. So this is a printable, look at, what is that? A tiny little piece of paper is stuck to my, okay, I got it off. I don't know what the hell that was. Anyway, this is a printable from Maker Doer Mama. She's got some awesome printable goodies, and so I just printed this on some shimmer vellum. Now, the next book I can't really show at all, which is sort of aggravating. I can show you what the pages look like. It's just a nice light grid with tiny lines. So even though the book is super skinny, there's plenty of real estate. The reason I can't show you that is because it's my shop budget. So all my expenditures, what I planned on spending for the month, what I actually spent during the month, my sinking funds for my shop. So, you know, everything that I want to put money back for is in here. And because I don't really care to share my shop numbers, I'll just, skip on past that one. However, I got tired of drawing out a online orders list every month, and so what I did is order this online purchases insert from City Girl Planners, and I'm going to start using that as opposed to handwriting all those purchases in here. I'm still going to set up my budget in this life notebook, but I'm actually going to record all my purchases by month in this online order insert. So we'll see how that goes. It's got nice thick lines, so plenty of space to write on there. So that should be good. Now this is another printable from Maker Doer Mama that I printed on acetate. Love that. It's the little mild liners, of which I am a huge fan. So next, I've just got some more jelly, because you can never have enough jelly as far as I'm concerned. And then I've got another Maker Doer Mama printable on some shimmer vellum. And this is a YouTube planner insert. This is from Pristine Papery, and I really enjoy her inserts. I think she didn't actually have a B6 Slim size, so what I ended up doing is resizing this to be a B6 Slim because I liked the insert well enough that I wanted to bring it over from my regular B6 to this one. So yeah, I absolutely love this. If you're a YouTuber, this might be an awesome insert for you. I'm going to link all these shops down in the bottom there. in the description, excuse me. So there's the rest of my jelly. This is a really pretty vellum from Willy Wallaco. Just love her stuff. I'm just stretching out my elastics here. And the next insert I got is a task tracker, because I have started spring cleaning in my house, and I want to keep better track of when I do things like, for instance, when did I last clean the baseboards? Because I was looking around in my house the other day and I saw the baseboards and I was like, girlfriend, if somebody comes in here, they're going to think you are a nut. I was like, I guess I just hadn't looked at them in a while, and I was like, girl, you better get down there and clean that. So for stuff like that, I wanted to use this task tracker. Plenty of space, and it's for tasks that you check off once a month, or if you wanted to, you know, you could do mop 1, mop 2, mop 3, mop 4 if you wanted to do 4 a month, and then just check off 4 spaces to say that you mopped 4 times in January. I don't know if that makes sense, but I wanted to just keep some kind of record to say, okay, I did that last month, I did that, okay, what do I need to do, that kind of thing, so I can stay better on top of that. This is another super cute clip from Little Miss Daisy Rose. And then I carry her around in every one of my planners. This is the Dalai Lama. It's actually a birthday card my mama gave me, and so I trimmed it down as small as I could, so I could carry her with me. She's well worn, poor thing. She's been in every planner setup for the last probably 2 or 3 years. And on the back, I've got my little guinea pig here, and it says, I can't see the haters when I got my lug glasses on. So cute, isn't it? And then last but not least, I've got my my back jelly pocket here, and I've just got some little Jibun Techo. These are sticky notes, and these are like little flags that fit perfectly in the boxes. So yeah, that's my current setup. I'm loving it so far. I'm using the crap out of that Jibun Techo. We'll see how the new task tracker insert goes and how the new online purchases insert goes. Hopefully I'll be able to keep up with them, because sometimes I decide I want to change the way I do things, and so of course I immediately go buy a new insert, and then I use it for 2 weeks, and then I've completely forgotten it's there. So hopefully that doesn't happen this time. So anyway, I'm going to link all the shops down in the bottom. If you like the idea of the Jibun Techo, I've actually got it linked in my Amazon store, so you could actually check out the Techo, you could check out the idea book, you could check out these accessory type situations right here if you like the idea of it. I absolutely love the Techo. Love it, love it, love it. So anyway, that's my latest B6 Slim setup. I hope y'all are doing well. If you like planner setup videos, I've got a fitness B6 rings fitness planner setup video coming probably next, because I'm just getting started on that. I've got my inserts already, and I'm just waiting on some little fitness stickers and stuff. And what else have I got coming up? Y'all tell me what kind of videos you'd like to see from me. Drop it down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so it tells you when I upload a new video. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye.